Here's how to fix your Instagram confirmation code that's not sending. So you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. So from here, you want to enter in an email address for your account and then click on next. And then they're going to ask to send you an email or log in with Facebook, whatever. Click on send an email. Let's go ahead and go into our Gmail account and look for that. Now, once you found the email, click on the to me option. You can see that is from security@mail.instagram.com. So you want to actually remember this email, so maybe write it down or have it somewhere down because we need this for later. Now what you want to do is go ahead into your phone settings, and then now in the search bar you want to type in this, and then you want to find messages, and then in the search bar look for allow messages from, and from here what we're going to do is go ahead and click on allow messages from, and then you want to change it to anyone. You don't want to have as contacts or whatever, change it to anyone. Allow contacts from starred contacts only, also change that to anyone, so that way in case you had them blocked, now you have unblocked them, so they could actually send you the confirmation code. So once you have gone through your blocked contacts and also unblocked them as well, then you can go back onto Instagram and then try to let them resend the confirmation code, and then hopefully it should fix it all up.